Today we're diving into a topic that will surely spark some nostalgia: Monopoly. Remember those fierce battles over Park Place and Boardwalk? The excitement of building hotels and bankrupting your friends? Monopoly taught us the thrill of making money, the joy of buying properties, and the agony of landing on someone else's hotel. Now, what if I told you that the thrill of Monopoly isn't confined to the game board? Well, buckle up, because we're about to roll the dice on a journey that transforms Monopoly lessons into a real-world wealth-building extravaganza. Stick around. This is one game you won't want to miss. Before we dive into the lucrative world of Monopoly strategies, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on. You won't want to miss a single roll of the dice on your journey to financial mastery. Now, let's dive into the first lesson and discover the keys to unlocking your financial success. Lesson 1. Strategic property acquisition. In the Monopoly universe, owning the right properties is key to domination, and the same principle applies in real life. The idea of acquiring real estate might seem daunting, but in reality, it's more accessible than you might think. Many everyday individuals have successfully built wealth by getting involved in real estate, and you can too. One approach is to target undervalued properties that have the potential for a significant increase in value. Consider the strategy of buying properties in emerging neighborhoods. Just as in Monopoly, where certain properties become more valuable based on player activity, real-life neighborhoods can experience revitalization and increased property values due to various factors like development projects, improved infrastructure, or a surge in local businesses. Flipping properties is another avenue that has paved the way for many to achieve substantial profits. This involves buying a property at a lower price, making strategic renovations, and selling it for a profit. Numerous success stories showcase how individuals, often starting with modest resources, have turned this practice into a full-time living. Take inspiration from individuals who have made a name for themselves in the real estate industry. Study the paths of real estate entrepreneurs like Sarah Beanie or Scott McGillivray, who started with a passion for property and turned it into a lucrative career. Their stories exemplify that with the right mindset, education, and willingness to take calculated risks, anyone can embark on a journey of strategic property acquisition and financial success. Remember, the key is to start small, learn continuously, and gradually build your real estate portfolio. Lesson 2. The power of negotiation. Ever haggled for a property in Monopoly? In Monopoly, negotiating deals with other players is a crucial skill, and the same principle applies to real-life success. Enhancing your negotiation skills can significantly impact your ability to make favorable deals and achieve financial prosperity. The good news is that improving these skills is well within reach for the everyday individual, thanks to various self-help strategies. One effective approach is to tap into the wealth of knowledge available through audiobooks, podcasts, and online courses. Just as players in Monopoly might strategize their negotiation moves, you can learn from experts in the field who share their insights on effective negotiation techniques. Audiobooks like Chris Voss's Never Split the Difference or Stuart Diamond's Getting More provide practical tips and real-world examples that can elevate your negotiation game. Consider incorporating daily practices to sharpen your negotiation skills. Engage in role-playing scenarios with friends or mentors to simulate real-life negotiations. This hands-on approach allows you to refine your communication, persuasion, and deal-making abilities in a risk-free environment. Additionally, immerse yourself in materials that focus on emotional intelligence and understanding human behavior. Being attuned to the motivations and concerns of others can give you a significant advantage in negotiations. Audiobooks, such as Daniel Goleman's Emotional Intelligence, can provide valuable insights into navigating interpersonal dynamics. Remember, negotiation is not just about securing the best deal for yourself, it's about creating mutually beneficial outcomes. By investing time in improving your negotiation skills, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate the complexities of real-life transactions, building the foundation for lasting success. Lesson 3. Passive income and wealth building. In Monopoly, the goal is to establish a cash flow through property ownership. In real life, Focus on creating passive income streams that work for you, even when you're not actively involved. Explore investment opportunities, such as dividend-paying stocks, real estate investments, or creating digital products. This strategy mirrors the concept of building hotels in Monopoly. Once set up, they generate income turn after turn. Understanding how to generate passive income streams is a key lesson from the Monopoly game that can transform the financial landscape for the average Joe. Let's delve into actionable strategies and real-world examples to kickstart your journey toward passive income. Real estate investment. Monopoly teaches us the value of property ownership, and real estate remains a robust avenue for passive income. Consider purchasing rental properties where monthly rent payments contribute to your income. Platforms like Airbnb and rental management services have made real estate investment more accessible for individuals. Dividend stocks. Just as owning valuable properties earns you rent in Monopoly, investing in dividend-paying stocks can generate regular income in the real world. Look for reputable companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Reinvesting dividends can compound your returns over time, further boosting your passive income. Create and monetize content. In the digital age, creating content has become a viable source of passive income. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast about a topic you're passionate about. As your audience grows, monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. This allows you to earn money while you sleep. Create an online course. Leverage your expertise to create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. Once the course is created, your earnings come in passively as more students enroll. Remember, the key to unlocking the potential of passive income lies in starting small and gradually expanding your portfolio. By incorporating these strategies, the average Joe can begin building passive income streams that, over time, have the potential to replace or supplement traditional sources of income, providing financial security and the flexibility to pursue your desired lifestyle. In conclusion, the game of Monopoly isn't just a nostalgic board game. It's a treasure trove of valuable lessons that can transform your financial journey. From strategic property acquisition to honing negotiation skills and mastering risk management, Monopoly offers a blueprint for success in the real world. So, why settle for a game night when you can turn Monopoly into a roadmap for financial prosperity? Embrace the lessons, take calculated risks, and watch as your financial journey transforms into a winning game of life. The path to wealth might be just a roll of the dice away. Are you ready to play and win in the game of real-life Monopoly? Remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community so you won't miss out on more game-changing strategies and tips. Don't just play the game, conquer it in the real world. Until next time, play smart and prosper.